Okay guys, here's a look at the Mabett seats. Actually, I am rather impressed. They feel heavy enough to take some wear. I'll figure that out later though. I'm going to do some testing on these things. I want to see what coffee and water and maybe even an energy drink will do to this material. They've got holes in them, and I turned on the ventilation this morning, and it seems like it's coming through. I'll have to test that. Okay, and I'm sure the heat will come through. I'm not worried about the heat as much. You know, there's going to be a little bit of a delay having the heat get to you, but I think it'll work pretty good. I don't see a problem.
Cody here in Louisiana wrangling alligators, reminding you to subscribe and leave your coffee or matcha order in the comments.
Now, as far as installation goes, have some patience. Okay, this is like wearing, putting on a wetsuit that's 2 sizes too small. There is discs that attach to the end of some straps that go in, and they rotate out, and they keep the seat cover from pulling out, let's call it. Okay, and then everything's zippers. There's zippers on the inside seams here. I wonder if I could see that, show that. Okay, it's not showing there, but there's zippers on the seams. There's zippers on the seams. There it is, right there. I don't know if you guys can see it very well, but there's a zipper that goes all the way down. So you unzip that, pull it over, and that. As long as I'm right here, there are pockets on both of these. With the original Toyota seats that I had, there was only one pocket on the passenger side. That's kind of a welcome addition right there. Another thing, if you see this right here, airbag side. This thing's designed that when the airbags go off, this splits open and the airbags can deploy. You can see that the stitching's a little bit lighter and not as dense. So I think we're okay on that side, and that's true on both of those. The back seat, going back to it, it's a nice system. It's going to have these are going to have to relax a little bit for a couple of days in the nice warm August sun here, but I don't see a problem with them, and everything fit pretty tightly. It was a pain to get to, but there's some straps down here that Toyota provides that are nearly impossible to get to. Hey, pro tip for your seats: when you're installing them, bring them all the way up. Okay, bring them all the way up, because you're going to move them back and forth, and you're going to move your angle of your rear seat also a couple of times. This is a tight fit trying to get back through here. So just be patient, take your time. It can be done. I'm living proof of that right now. So, but I'm very happy with them, and I think we got a keeper here.
If you enjoyed hanging out with us and riding shotgun in the taco truck, go ahead and smash that like button and share this video with your friends, or even your own everyday Tacoma guy or girl. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe, because one day Darrell and I might actually start selling tacos out of the back of this thing. Thanks for spending part of your day with us. We really do love this community. Love you guys. Until next time, this is Cody.